Welcome to Mage Wars world, the place where ancient secrets are kept. A mystical world that is sure to amaze you. Planet with magic and wars. A world that is filled with wildlife, castles, golden chests, and mages' guilds. This is the land of the brave, and everyone can feel like an integral part of the planet Mage Wars world and win all the wealth. This world is ruled by the guilds of mages, who every day, every hour, make their tower stronger. And those who decide to become a real strong leader for their tower will receive all the treasures and towers of gold. Join a guild and take your riches. Well, friend, now I will tell you how to start your adventure and win in the Mage Wars economic game. Mage Wars is an economic investment game built on the decentralized smart contract Binance Smart Chain. You will build your guilds and call on mages to serve your tower. Mages for you, with the help of spells, will collect mana every hour, which you later exchange for runes or BNB. And now, in detail about the gameplay. To activate the tower, you need to connect to the project using the Metamask blockchain wallet and replenish your account with an amount convenient for you by exchanging your BNB for rune. Runes are an internal currency with which you can create guilds, hire mages, and participate in the arena. Now that you have runes, you can activate your tower and hire mages into it, who will collect mana for you every hour, after which it will be stored in the mana altar. The altar of mana is your mana pool. Mana will be stored for 24 hours. But by using the upgrade, you can increase the storage time up to 48 hours before you exchange the mana for BNB or rune. The game has 8 different classes of guilds of magicians: Guild of Fire, Water, Lightning, Earth, Air, Light, Darkness, and Archmages. Up to 5 mages can be called to each guild. The higher the level of the guilds, the more mana they will bring. You can also improve spell skills by doing upgrade spells, while productivity will increase 0.5% of mana per day. Become a guild leader right now and get disproportionate riches. However, if you don't want to wait, you can go to the arena from the first day of creating your tower and try your luck in combat with other players. The arena is a place where you can get rune with a 50% chance. From each battle, you will receive 2 times rune from the cost of the game. And don't worry, Smart Contract automatically selects the winner and gives him the entire cash register of the game. The human factor in the game is completely absent. Now we know that the tower is your location, which brings you daily income. At the same time, the tower can be sold at any time, and you can instantly return the equivalent of 14 days of work of magicians. You might be asking, what about the affiliate program? Yes, the game also did not forget about active users who are engaged in promotion, so the game provides additional fees for referring friends. The game gives you generous rewards of 7% in the form of rune and 3% in the form of mana from each purchase of your invited user. And for every 50 users you invite, you'll get a leader bonus plus 0.5% of your daily mana income. You will find more details about the cost and income of each guild on the website in the guide section. And don't forget to subscribe to the project channels, where you can get answers for your questions. Now that you know all the secrets of the game, feel free to go to the wonderful world of Mage Wars and get endless wealth for yourself and your mages. Mage Wars. Build, play, and earn.